Now, the first part of the setup I suggest is getting the app. You'll download the app and you'll see right inside here, there are a ton of different options. It's going to give you the option to sort through frequently asked questions. You want to make sure that you set up your account that you have it, and that way you'll be able to control the unit right from the app as well. And the app, extremely easy to use, very intuitive. You see down at the bottom, it's got the temperature setting. You can adjust those up or down depending on exactly how hot or cold you want your unit to be running. And additionally, if you decide that you want both sides to be the freezer, you can bring them both down really low. If you want both sides to be the refrigerator, once again, you can bring both sides up higher. So a lot of customization here, and it's easy to monitor. If you're in the tent in the middle of the night and you don't want to go out and make sure everything's looking good, you can simply do that from right inside of your tent. So a lot of functionality. There's an eco mode. You can do pretty much anything you want with the unit right inside the app. So here it is right out of the box. I just got it plugged in and it's cooling down. We'll take a look in a moment, but what do you get? Right here's the user manual, breaks everything right down. Information on the refrigerator battery as well. Right here, power adapter. This is going to be really useful. This is the quote-unquote cigarette lighter adapter, so that's going to be great for vehicles. Additionally, right here, they also throw in a AC/DC adapter. So if you're using traditional power from a power outlet, or some vehicles have one as well, that's going to be really useful. Now, taking a look at the unit itself, sharp looking construction. You've got handles on either side, so that's going to help you moving stuff around. Opening it up to take a look, can you see right here, it's got lights, which is great if you're out camping at night. You're going to be able to know what you're getting into. And you see the two compartments, and you can adjust this either on the unit itself or on the app. So you can have one side be freezer, one side refrigerator, both sides refrigerator, both sides freezer. Switch them up, go back and forth depending on exactly what type of food you have to accommodate. Taking a look right over here. Now, right down here, and here's the battery compartment. And the battery is removable if you need to take it out. Right here, you have access as well. You can see the ports that you have the option to use. Right there, that is the DC power adapter, which I am using right now. I'm taking a look right here. Got another handle, and here are the controls. So powering on, you can see right now, this guy is in the process of cooling down and charging up. So you get a readout right there. Right there are the controls. If you need to adjust the temperature up or down, either way, you can do that right there with those controls. Just taking a look around the back. Sharp looking unit.